Alrighty guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the Best Investing Money Management channel on YouTube. In today's video, we are going to be talking about the top stocks and ETFs that I am buying for March of 2022. So I hope you guys enjoy it. If you guys get anything in value out of this video, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, concerns, make sure you guys ask them down in the comments. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Also guys, if you guys want to support the team, we do have a cool line of merch. Make sure you guys check that out. And we are doing a giveaway, so how you enter, you just have to go down to the description, read it, and follow it. So starting off with the very first stock is the one and only Tesla, TSLA. I think it goes without saying, massive opportunity right now, right? The stock was trading for about $1,200. We had crazy amount of sell-off due to pretty much a whole bunch of, circumstances over the past month or so. And I just think this brings a massive opportunity to pick up this stock at a very decent price, right? The stock's trading for about $809. The last time, it was trading for this, if we actually go ahead and we draw it out here at this price, this was all the way in December of 2021. So, about a year ago, I definitely think this is just a massive for sale sign for this company. Not to mention, guys, Tesla is more than an electric car manufacturer, right? They're the leader of the electric car manufacturer, one. They're the leader and front runner of the autonomous driving. They own Tesla Solar and a whole bunch of other things. I definitely think this is just a massive opportunity, decent amount of sell-off, right on a support line. This is just a solid pick for this month, and at least worth keeping on watch. Now, ETF number one is SPY, the S&P 500, right? For those of you that don't know what this is, top 500 companies. Over the past month, we've seen a lot of sell-off, right? There was a couple days where it was selling off about 2.5%. That's a massive for sale sign as an investor. Anytime the general market sells off, one thing you always have to have is cash, so you can pick up a couple of decent priced shares of this, right? For me, a sell-off of 12%, for sale sign, yes, I understand it's like buying this, only a couple months ago, but it still is a great investment and something that I understand I don't have to worry about, right? Tesla, yeah, it's going to be a little more of a higher risk. The S&P 500, I understand over the past 90 years, this has had an annual return rate of 9.8%. Through all the depressions, recessions, the ups and downs in the market, you just have to have that long-term mindset to be successful. SPY is pretty much just a great ETF for that. Now, stock number two is Snapchat. Now, Snapchat for me is just another one that we've seen a lot of sell-off due to a whole bunch of things. The very first one is they did release some earnings, which wasn't the greatest, but hey, companies go through tough times all the time. And you can see the stock was trading for about $83, sold all the way off down to, right now at about $37, massive for sale sign. And Snapchat is working to create augmented reality. Which I definitely think with the overall idea of the metaverse and all of that, this is just another stock, right, that is going to be a higher risk, but something that is worth keeping on watch for this month so we could possibly get a rebound. It already confirmed that 200 moving average line as major support, so you understand it hit it, and now we're slowly working our way back up. Massive for sale sign. So let's move on to the next one. The next one here is ticker symbol HD. HD is also known as Home Depot. Very similar, right? We had the stock trading for about $418, sold off almost about $100 for a share price. So for me, massive for sale sign, pretty much like buying this stock all the way back in March of 2021. That is an absolute no-brainer investment if you ask me. You're going to be getting great dividends, great growth, and you understand that, home values and home remodeling and all of that stuff, it's not going away, right? I don't care what anyone says. It's not going away. So for me, massive for sale sign. It'll use that 90 moving average line as some support. But yeah, the next one here is going to be more of a higher risk one. Meta Platforms, FB. I don't care what anyone says here too. Facebook brings in about $40 billion and you can't compete with that, right? The stock sold off, went from $384 all the way to $205. Right now it's trading at $210. Yes, it's going to be higher it's going to be more volatile, right? It's going to have these ups and down swings. For the first time in company history, Facebook did report a lower daily customer site, lower customer daily user on Facebook. I said that really weird, but anyways, yeah, I understand that, but Facebook for the long term is not going away. They're heavily invested in the metaverse. They own Oculus. They own a whole bunch of other companies. Like I mentioned, they bring in $40 billion of revenue, and you can't compete with that. So, you have to understand that for me. Definitely worth at least keeping on watch here. The next one here, Apple. You can't go wrong with it. Decent amount of sell-off. We had that great upward trend. For me, I just want to pick up a couple more shares for this next month here. Yeah, the stock was trading for about $182, sold off all the way down to about as low as $151. Got bought up, trading for about $164. If we actually go ahead and we look at the the 3-month chart, you can see that yes, we had a little more volatility with this one, but you have to realize too that when Apple released earnings, it was very good. They did not release bad earnings, so given the sell-off is just due to the market. So you have to understand that it's picking up the stock at a decent price right now. And I'm a huge believer in Apple. I don't think it's going anywhere anytime soon. So guys, these are the top stocks that I am keeping on watch and buying. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, hit that like button, subscribe. If you have any questions, concerns, ask them down in the comments. If you want to learn more about investing, check out my course. I'll put a link to that down below, and we will see you guys later. Remember to stay happy, guys. Stay positive. Stay safe. Take care.